Get ready, tech enthusiasts. Tesla is on the cusp of launching a service that could fundamentally change urban transportation. This isn't just another car, it's a glimpse into a truly autonomous future, and we're here to give you the latest company update on this groundbreaking initiative. Prepare to explore the technical intricacies and strategic vision behind Tesla's highly anticipated robotaxi service. Tesla has officially announced its intention to launch a dedicated robotaxi service. This represents a significant pivot and expansion beyond simply selling autonomous capable vehicles. It's about building and operating a fleet, a complex logistical and technological undertaking. This move signals Tesla's confidence in its full self-driving technology, reaching a level of maturity required for commercial driverless operation. It's a bold step that positions Tesla not just as an automotive company, but as a future mobility provider. The implications for urban planning, personal car ownership, and the transportation industry are immense. CEO Elon Musk has provided a tentative launch date for the robotaxi service, June 22, 2025. It's crucial to understand that this date is preliminary and subject to change. Developing and deploying truly autonomous systems safely is an incredibly complex endeavor. The initial rollout is planned for Austin, Texas. This choice of location is strategic, likely due to regulatory environment, testing infrastructure, and Tesla's significant presence there, including Gigafactory Texas. Austin will serve as the proving ground for the service before potential expansion. While the date is set, Tesla emphasizes that safety is the absolute priority. The June 22nd date is contingent upon meeting rigorous safety and validation standards. This isn't a typical product launch. It involves public safety on a large scale. Achieving the necessary level of safety for driverless operation requires millions of miles of testing, both simulated and real-world. It involves validating the system's performance in countless scenarios, including unpredictable edge cases. The date will shift if further refinement is needed to ensure the highest safety bar is met. Concrete evidence of this development surfaced with the sighting of the first robotaxi test mule in Austin. A test mule is typically a vehicle used for testing new components or systems, often disguised or modified. This sighting confirms that hardware and software integration is actively underway in real-world conditions. Spotting this vehicle indicates that Tesla is moving beyond simulation and internal track testing. They are now validating the complete system, including potentially new sensor configurations or vehicle modifications specific to the robotaxi service, on public roads. This is a critical phase in the development cycle. The launch in Austin will be a limited rollout. This means the service won't be immediately available to everyone in the city. It will likely start with a small fleet and a select group of users or specific operational areas. A limited rollout allows Tesla to gather real-world data, refine the service, and address any unforeseen issues in a controlled environment. It's a standard practice for deploying complex new technologies. This phased approach minimizes risk and allows for iterative improvement before scaling up. A fascinating aspect for current Tesla owners is the potential integration with the existing full self-driving FSD capability. Elon Musk has suggested that Tesla owners might have the option to add their vehicles to the robotaxi network. This could allow owners to earn income by letting their car operate autonomously as a ride-hailing vehicle when they are not using it. This model leverages the existing fleet of FSD-equipped vehicles, creating a distributed network potential. It transforms a personal asset into a potential income-generating tool. This concept is highly appealing to tech-savvy owners interested in maximizing the utility and return on investment of their vehicle. Tesla is developing a sophisticated teleoperation system to support the robotaxi service. Teleoperation involves human operators remotely monitoring and, if necessary, controlling the autonomous vehicles. This system acts as a crucial safety net and a way to handle complex or ambiguous situations that the AI might struggle with. For instance, navigating an unexpected construction zone, dealing with a police officer directing traffic, or handling a sensor anomaly could trigger a request for teleoperator assistance. The vehicle would pull over safely and await remote guidance. This hybrid approach combines the scalability of autonomy with the judgment of human operators for edge cases. Achieving Level 4 or Level 5 autonomy required for a robotaxi service is a monumental technical challenge. Tesla's approach relies heavily on computer vision, using a suite of cameras as the primary sensors. This vision-only strategy is distinct from many competitors who utilize lidar and radar more extensively. The system processes massive amounts of visual data using deep neural networks. These networks are trained on vast data sets of driving scenarios to perceive the environment, predict the behavior of other road users, and plan a safe trajectory. The compute power required for this real-time processing is immense, leading to the development of custom hardware like the FSD chip and potentially leveraging the Dojo supercomputer for training. The performance of Tesla's autonomous system is directly tied to the quality and quantity of data it processes. Every mile driven by the existing FSD beta fleet provides valuable data for training the neural networks. This continuous feedback loop is a core part of Tesla's development strategy. The data helps identify challenging scenarios, improve perception accuracy, and refine prediction models. The scale of data collection from hundreds of thousands of vehicles gives Tesla a unique advantage in training its AI. The Robotaxi launch will further accelerate this data collection, creating a virtuous cycle of improvement. Deploying autonomous vehicles at scale involves overcoming numerous technical hurdles. These include robust object detection and tracking in all weather and lighting conditions, accurate prediction of complex human behavior, pedestrians, cyclists, and reliable navigation in dynamic, unpredictable urban environments. Handling edge cases, rare or unusual situations, is particularly challenging. A teleoperation system helps mitigate this, but the goal is for the autonomous system to handle as many scenarios as possible independently. Continuous software updates pushed wirelessly to the fleet are essential for improving performance and addressing newly identified challenges. The regulatory environment for autonomous vehicles is still evolving. Deploying a driverless service requires navigating complex state and local regulations, obtaining necessary permits, and demonstrating safety compliance to authorities. Austin's regulatory framework likely played a role in its selection as the initial launch city. Elon Musk has also speculated that the success of the Tesla Robotaxi service could incentivize other automotive companies to license Tesla's FSD technology. If Tesla demonstrates a robust, commercially viable autonomous system, licensing could become a faster and potentially more cost-effective path to autonomy for competitors than developing their own from scratch. This would be a significant business model shift for Tesla. While the technology is complex, the user experience for a Tesla Robotaxi should be simple and intuitive. Users would likely summon a vehicle using a mobile app, similar to existing ride-hailing services. The app would handle booking, payment, and potentially allow users to set preferences. Inside the vehicle, the experience would be driverless. The interior might be optimized for passenger comfort and potentially include screens for entertainment or information about the journey. The focus is on providing a seamless, safe, and convenient transportation option. The Robotaxi service is a key component of Tesla's long-term strategic vision. It aligns with the company's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy by providing an efficient, electric, shared mobility solution. Robotaxis have the potential to reduce the need for personal car ownership, decrease congestion, and lower transportation costs. This service could unlock significant new revenue streams for Tesla, moving beyond vehicle sales into transportation as a service. It also leverages the massive investment Tesla has made in FSD technology. The success of the Robotaxi service could validate Tesla's approach to autonomy and accelerate the adoption of driverless technology globally. The journey to a fully operational, widespread Robotaxi service is still ongoing. The tentative June 2025 date marks a significant milestone, the planned beginning of commercial operation, but it is just the start. Scaling the service, expanding to new cities, and continuously improving the technology will be the focus post-launch. Tech enthusiasts will be watching closely, analyzing the performance data, the safety record, and the user adoption rates. The launch in Austin will provide invaluable insights into the real-world performance and challenges of operating a driverless fleet. It's an exciting time for autonomous vehicle technology. This company update on the Tesla Robotaxi service highlights a pivotal moment in autonomous technology. The tentative June 2025 launch in Austin, the focus on safety, the integration with FSD for owners, and the development of teleoperation all point towards a carefully planned, albeit ambitious, deployment. For tech enthusiasts, this is a front-row seat to the evolution of transportation. Stay tuned for further updates as Tesla navigates the final stages of development and prepares to launch its vision of driverless mobility. Want to stay ahead of the curve on autonomous tech? Follow Tesla's progress closely. Dive into the technical details of their FSD system and consider how driverless services could impact your community. Share this update with fellow tech enthusiasts and join the conversation about the future of transportation. Hey, if you're enjoying this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.